Hello gardening friends, today I'm going to load up my new compost tumbler for the first time. Let's see how I do here. Here it is right here. So the two bins are empty, and all you have to do is just spin it like that. So you need half green material and half brown material, and I'm pretty sure this grass counts as green material, so I'm going to put a bunch of that in there. And I'm going to assume that these count as brown material. Dead plant material. Probably didn't cut these pieces up small enough. Ordinarily, I think you can fill one bit at a time, and then when it's finished, fill up the other side. But since I've got two sides that are empty, I'm just going to fill both up. Second thing you have to, the next thing after adding both your green and your brown material, is to wet the whole thing down. Okay, now I'm wetting it down. I don't know how much you can add, but how much you need. Loading it up for the first time, and now I'm turning it for the first time. Now the ideal thing to be will be go out and turn it every day. So that's it. I'm going to come out and turn it every day, and we'll see how that works out.